Welcome to the channel and another video, and thanks to John at Monumental Fireworks. We are now at the Plough here in Alsager, and it's the Alsager Round Table. Let's come and check it out. Now, it is extremely noisy with the music here tonight, so I'm going to have to get that sorted out, but the bonfire is going really, really well. Let's go and check that out. And just check out the crowd tonight. There is thousands and thousands of people. Now, the heat from that bonfire is just unbelievable. And if you can see yourself on the video tonight, give me a thumbs up. Drop me some comments.